guys, welcome to our first video of our road trip to Vancouver Island and Tofino. Alright, so this is our campsite here. We're at a place called Bella Pacific, I think. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Bella Pacific Campground. They had 3 first come first serve spots left when we got here. And the spot's not too big, but it's quite perfect. The water is like literally just down there. Our neighbors, but there's a pathway right there so you can actually walk right to the water. But we got here pretty late, got the tent set up in under like 10 minutes. It's looking beautiful. We've got the lights on up there. Got the this is the GoLabs R300 power station. It has a light on the back, so I just aimed the light up against our water here, and it kind of illuminates the water. Looks kind of cool, but serves a really great purpose. And then we've got one of these little lanterns up here. And then right here we've got the water port set up. That goes on the inside. So we have water anytime. Pretty awesome. We were out at the beaches for the most of today. We're out exploring. We even went on some off-road trails. It's been a really eventful first 2 days so far. I think we're gonna get an early night tonight. Made our coffees this morning, new Yeti mug, and the snail armor flat tailgate. Everything, you could just put it there, it doesn't topple over, it doesn't fall over. It's so nice, it's so smooth, I love it. Now we're gonna start breakfast today. If you know me, you know that I am a big fan of those McDonald's breakfast sandwiches, so today we're gonna just make our own. Minus the bacon and sausage, cause they didn't have it in here. Ready? This is the breakfast egg sandwich. Perfect. After we finished breakfast, we headed out for another amazing day out, just exploring. We went to literally like all of the beaches around Tofino. It was an overcast day, but it was still incredible. We got to see some really cool green tip anemones. Then we wrapped up the day with, of course, yet again, more food, some fish and chips from a local spot there in Tofino. Absolutely delicious.
After a couple incredible days spent in Tofino, it was time to pack up and hit the road again. We actually went out and explored even more of Vancouver Island, so stay tuned for more of the videos to come. I'll probably have one more, I think, just showing some of the cool places that we explored and of course our camp setups. I'm gonna end the video here with a few photos that I'm quite proud of. If I could ask a really huge favor, guys, if you would leave a comment on this video below, I will chat with you guys there in the comments. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in following along on the journey, as well as smashing that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate that support here on the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.